Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Trayambakeshwara Realtors. Today we are going to visit an exciting property which is built in 167 square yards, faced towards east. And this is the false ceiling design in the car parking area. So this is the main door and it is car parking area. So you'll be feeling more excited when I'm shooting each and every room. It is fully furnished. So these are the staircases to the terrace, guys. This is the wash area under the staircase. So yeah, this is the setback area which is to the left side of the house. It's spacious. I'm shooting it by taking very long time because I want you people to feel how the house is. So this is the setback area to the right side. This is the false ceiling design and these are the tiles for design of the main door. Main door was looking very good. So this is the TV cabin where you can place the TV. This is the false ceiling design in the hall. The hall is very spacious. All the windows, all the doors are made of teak except bathroom doors. So this is the arch kind of thing which is entry for dining hall. So that is the dining hall. So those are the cabins. So those are the cabins in the dining area. This is the false ceiling design in the dining area. So the builder has used pretty good quality material for a good output. It's actually a good output, and flooring in every room is of marble. So this is the entrance to the puja room and kitchen, guys. So that is the puja room. It's not very much spacious, but it was very good looking. So this is the false ceiling design in the kitchen, guys. And the kitchen is also fully furnished. These are the cupboards in the kitchen, guys. So this is the overview of kitchen, guys. These are all the cabins or cupboards in the kitchen. This is the kitchen platform. It's fully furnished. So yeah, this is the another entrance to the setback area. Now let's go to the master bedroom, guys. It's gonna amaze you all. So here the builder has given mirror in every bedroom. This is the false ceiling design, guys, and these are the cabins, and those are slides actually, not doors. The doors are of pretty good quality and they were looking very good in real compared to the virtual. So this is the mirror, guys. They have given this kind of mirrors in 2 bedrooms, and these are the cupboards. This is the attached washroom in the master bedroom, guys. So yeah, it's actually very spacious, and there is false ceiling design in washroom as well, and it has western style commode. Now let's go to the children's bedroom, guys. So this is the children's bedroom, and these are the cupboards in the children's bedroom. This is the false ceiling design in the children's bedroom, guys. As I said you, it's gonna amaze you all because I myself felt very good while shooting the video. I liked it very much personally. So this is the low roof, guys. Now let's check out the common washroom. And this is the common washroom, guys, and it has Indian style commode. It is also actually spacious, not very much congested, and it has false ceiling design. And there is another common washroom, and I'll show you. So this is the arch which I shown you in the beginning of the video while shooting the hall, and it is entrance to the dining area. So now let's go out with using this door to the setback area, which is of right side. So that is the common washroom, guys. That is another common washroom. So this, guys, it's actually small, but yeah, it's very useful when some guests come over or something like that. It has no false ceiling design in it. And this is the setback area to the back side, guys. There is no wash area in the back because we have given two wash areas. One is under the staircase, which I have shown you in the beginning, and there is a wash area near that common washroom which I have shown you just before. So now let's go to the terrace, guys. I'll show you how spacious is the property is. We have covered it with sheets. Actually, elevation was also looking very good from the outside. So this is the entrance to the terrace, guys. We have given iron doors. So this is the property, guys, and that is the water tank. When it is come to the amenities, it has municipal water connection, underground drainage connection. All the amenities are available, and there is no flaw in this house. It's actually very good. I liked it very much personally. And now it's time to reveal the price of this house. You will be all excited by listening the price of this house, and the price is just 60 lakhs, and it is also negotiable. The house is located in 30 Annaram. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do like, share and subscribe, and yeah, we'll get back to you tomorrow with a new exciting property.